I'm going to do a quick repotting of my plant. I ordered this Monstera from Amazon, actually. Look, this one is getting a split leaf already. I don't know if you can see that. And it came in great shape. Got it through the mail. Plants in the mail is my new favorite thing. But it is a little bit root bound. Let me put my gloves on. These gloves make me feel a little Wakanda forever. I love these. So they have little diggers on there, so you don't need an extra tool. But so this is the, you know what, let me cover this bench with a little plastic. I'm just going to use the bag when our planters came in. So we got this lovely Monstera through Amazon, and I'll put the link on the bottom. It's in great shape. The roots look healthy, but they are a bit root bound. So, oh, I gotta get my soil. So I'm gonna break up the roots a little bit so that they will be able to grow into the soil. So I'm repotting it into this. This is nearly a 2-gallon plastic pot. Then I'm going to put that into a more decorative pot. But I had to cut the edge off. See there? I had to cut the edge off because the edge wouldn't fit into my new planter. So, let me grab my soil. Hang on one second. Let's see, how does this look? Pretty good. I'm going to fill in around it with soil now. I'm going to tease these roots just a little bit more. Gently, because we don't want to distress the plant. That's that big one right there. But we want it to encourage it to grow into the new soil. And we don't want to leave any air pockets in there either. So make sure it's nice and filled with soil. I'm going to continue to fill that up. And honestly, I should have used a clean, fresh scoop to get the new soil out of the bag, because you don't want to contaminate your soil. But, you know what, that's life. I'd already gotten started. So here we go. Fill that in. Around there. Bit. Put a little more soil, and then when we water it in, that's also going to help get rid of some of the air pockets, and we'll see if we need to add more soil after that. It is a beautiful day here in Georgia. Perfect day to get outside, do a little potting. Now I probably will leave this plant outside now that the weather is nice and warm. The nights still get a little cool, so I'll bring it in the evenings and then bring it out and let it get acclimated to the Georgia weather. But I'll let it stay outside for a little while, and that really helps to spur on lots of growth. Look at that. Isn't that such a pretty plant? Get rid of this extra dirt. And I'll put this underneath. I'm going to get a little water. Water it in a little bit. And let that water drain out. So pretty. And then I'm going to take this, and I got a pretty decorative pot that I'm going to use. See that right there? And I'll use this to catch when I'm watering. If there's any water left over in the plant, I'll put that in the bottom so that it will catch. And now I've got a pretty decorative pot. Beautifully repotted Monstera. I'm going to have to end up putting a trellis in there to help support it at some point once it gets larger, because these Monstera leaves can get pretty big. But I'm really excited about that. And that is it, my friends. Let's give you a better look. There we go. Isn't she pretty? Gorgeous. So you can see the splits on this leaf getting ready to happen on a new leaf. And I'll give you an update on this plant and see how she's doing. And I'll put the information about where to order this Monstera in the description box. Oh, and the pot is from Home Goods. All right. Thanks so much. And please subscribe.